Cinque Terre is a very popular and wonderful tourist destination in Italy. Its name means five lands, because it consists of five small, picturesque villages. The villages are Monterosso al Mare, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Riomaggiore. Cinque Terre region is located on the Ligurian Sea, in the province of La Spezia, and is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The natural beauty of Cinque Terre is unique and breathtaking. It is a wonderful combination of mountains, sea, and colorful villages. Dear viewers, today we will know about the beauty and diversity of Cinque Terre in Italy, why it is popular with tourists, what attracts tourists here, and some of the features and attractions of Cinque Terre. Cinque Terre is a mountainous region, where the mountains merge directly into the Ligurian Sea. These hills are dotted with vineyards, olive groves, and terraced farmland. The calm and clear blue waters of the Ligurian Sea make Cinque Terre even more attractive. Each village is built on the slopes of the hills and the houses are colorful. The villages look charming in the sunlight or in the golden glow of the evening. Tourists can enjoy panoramic views of the sea while walking along paths such as the Blue Path. The villages of Cinque Terre are famous for their colorful houses, which make this place so charming. In each village, the houses are built on the slopes of the hills in such a way that they look out over the sea. The bright colors and interesting architecture of the houses not only attract the attention of tourists but also remain part of the history and heritage of the region. In the history of Cinque Terre, the villagers' livelihood was mainly fishing. The houses were painted in bright colors to make it easier for sailors to recognize the villages from the sea. The sunset on the Cinque Terre beach is breathtaking. The combination of the reflected golden light and the blue water makes for an unforgettable experience. The Cinque Terre Park is a protected area where various species of flora and fauna can be seen. Grapevines, olive trees, lemon trees, and wildflowers enhance the beauty of the mountains. The Cinque Terre coast is dotted with hidden beaches and small caves. These can be discovered by kayaking or boat rides. All this combined makes the natural beauty of Cinque Terre a unique experience. The local cuisine of Cinque Terre carries the quality, diversity and flavors of the Liguria region of Italy. Dishes made with fresh seafood and mountain cereals are very popular here. The most famous sauce of the Liguria region. It is made with basil, Parmesan cheese, pine nuts, garlic, and olive oil. It is usually served with pasta, especially trophy pasta or linguine pasta. Cinque Terre was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1997. It has not only attracted tourists but has also played a major role in preserving local traditions and culture. European tourists see Cinque Terre as a vacation paradise. Cinque Terre's accessibility, aesthetic beauty, and peaceful environment make it an ideal place to spend a vacation away from a busy life.